everyone. I just love these cute little folios that, this one's in the July kit. And anyway, they're super versatile. You can put them together lots of different ways. So I'm just gonna play with this one and put it together in one of the many options. So absolutely don't be afraid to step outside the box and do something completely different than what I show you here. But this is just to get some ideas, get some creative juice flowing. So let's just go for it. So first of all, we have the main piece of the folio printed on both sides. It's on a lightweight cardstock. And then you have these cute little accent pieces. And I love it because it thickens up the folio, gives it a little more substance. So I've just cut and inked, and again, this is on that lightweight cardstock. And for me, that means that 110 is kind of what I'm looking for. I love this paper. I hope you can see it. We have some fun light situations going on right now, so I'm trying to work around that, and hopefully we're not getting some weird glares. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. Now keep in mind, you could actually create this piece itself into its own pocket if you just glue it on these sides. If you wanna do any sewing, sew before on these before you glue it in, because that way it won't go through and show up on the other side of your folio. So yeah, be creative. If you wanna create more pocket space, this one offers lots of options for that. Very versatile. But I love this paper. This is a paper in that kit, and it's just, it has kind of these grungy daisies in the background with the aqua and the yellow. Anyway, it's really pretty. All right, so I am just going to put this together in the simplest way possible, but just keep in mind there are other creative options. I'm having some glue adventures here. All right, just gonna put that in. And so now that is nice and thick. All right, let's go ahead and embellish. We have some super skinny tall pockets. If you're gonna sew these in, then sew them onto that this piece before you attach it. And you can really just shake up where these pockets go. There are lots of options, but this is how I'm doing it. So you're just gonna glue right along those edges to leave you as much room inside of that little pocket as you can. It makes me kind of sad to cover this beautiful paper. I love it. Love it. All right, we have one more pocket here. Just kind of fun, simple, creative. And you can take this whole folio and tuck it into your journal, or use it, like put it in another envelope so that you pull this out of an envelope, which would be really pretty as well. They are just versatile and fun. You could even give it all by itself as like a card, which would be really fun. I mean, who wouldn't want to get that? Wouldn't that just make you feel happy? Or make me feel just happy as could be. All right, and now we have lots of fun ephemera in this kit. So we're just gonna tuck it in wherever it kind of goes, wherever you like. We have a cute little key on this one. If we can get it in. There we go. Some journaling, a tall, skinny journal card right here. I'm having trouble fitting that one. If you realize you've glued too far over, then it's really nice too, because you can just be versatile and just trim down those two sides. It certainly happens. And sometimes your glue bleeds over further than you anticipate. So no worries. Then you can get that right in. I think I might have just glued something shut. Where is my bone folder? Oh, there it is. There we go. I felt it. I had it glued shut. All right, then you can fit that in. Perfect. All right, and then I have this cute little guy right here. Cute little dragonfly card. It's super cute. All right, now let's see. Oh yes, I have this fun little journal card right here. I think I'll just go ahead and use my art glitter glue. You could do the glue stick on that. It wouldn't hurt. Ooh. But it comes with some little fun little ephemera too, so you can go ahead and layer that wherever you like it. I think it would be cute there. Oh, look how cute. I love it. So fun. All right, then that shuts and that shuts. And here on the front, there is, you have some little bits left over, so you can just play. I'm gonna go ahead and put down this fun little layering strip, just because I love this. I love this paper. Isn't that pretty? Oh, love it. All right, that's gonna come right here. And we don't need this little bit. So really this is just for layering decisions. You can decide where you want things. But we have this cute little label left. So I'm gonna make a little collage on the front. You could add some lace in there, which would be really pretty too. Anyway, I've just been loving the little folios lately, and I love them because you can put them in a journal or use them as a standalone item. So I just, oh, do I want it centered? Yes, I want that baby centered. There we go. And that is it. It is that easy. So then you have this beautiful folio that you can use in an envelope as a tuck spot. That'd be really cute behind a belly band, or just sticking in a pocket, or just as a standalone item. Tie some cute lace around it and it would just be beautiful. So anyway, I hope that helps give you some fun ideas for that project, and I hope you have a beautiful day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.